You get the effect of using 5 sheet masks with this device. So how amazing is that? Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alegra Chetti and I live and breathe beauty and skincare, and I'm also certified in skincare and repair from Harvard University. And today I am super excited because we are diving into something that is a true new beauty innovation. It is a skincare gadget and beauty device that claims to transform your skin's hydration and help you to get glowing, hydrated, glass-like skin anytime, anywhere. Today we're talking about the NanoHydra Pro by iNewMe, a beauty hydration device that's gone completely viral with how it can give you the same benefits of a 15-minute mask in just 30 seconds with this misting device. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. We all know hydration is the foundation of healthy skin. It influences your skin's texture, radiance, fine lines, and even makeup application. But with cold winter air, long flights, those winter winds, it's easy for our skin to feel dry and dull, and traditional toners or sprays can actually many times feel messy or ineffective. That's where the NanoHydra Pro claims to be different. It's a smart, portable misting device that uses distance adaptive technology to deliver an ultra-fine hydration exactly where your skin needs it. So what exactly is it? The NanoHydra Pro is a compact, pocket-sized skincare device that turns your favorite toner, essence, or serum into an ultra-fine mist. This device mists your face with these tiny droplet-sized molecules that absorb deeply into your skin without leaving wetness or residue. It actually feels so incredible when you just apply it to your skin. It feels cooling and actually makes your skincare product that you put in this device 2.6 times more effective. The mist comes out so fine that it's instantly absorbed into your skin, so it will actually transform your skincare product into, again, these ultra-fine particles that will actually cling to your skin, lock in moisture, and help to set your makeup flawlessly as well. So this device can provide hydration that will truly penetrate deeply into your skin's barrier and not just sit on top of the skin and make it wet. It will actually make your products absorb deeply into your skin instead of just sitting on top of your skin and doing nothing. And it's not like any other beauty device. It actually has a distance adaptive feature. That means it uses built-in sensors to detect how far the device is from your face, and it adjusts the mist accordingly for an even coverage. So there's no guessing and no wasted product. So here are some of the standout features of this device. It has, again, that ultra fine 10mm mist, which is this golden sized mist designed for deep absorption of the products into your skin. It has an AI distance sensor. It figures out the best mist output based on how close you hold this device to your skin. So because it adjusts based on distance, you cannot use it wrong. Then it has these 5 skincare modes, from a quick refresh on a hot day to a deeper prep before makeup. You do have options with this device. There's the gentle mode, which is going to be dryness and definitely is makeup friendly. Then there is the standard mode, which is going to be a flight friendly hydration option. And then there is the infuse mode, which offers full body cooling and hydration outdoors. And then there is this lifting mode, which equals the same effects of using 3 times the amount of your hand applied serum. And this device does pair perfectly with your lightweight toners and serums, making them more effective because, again, this device will infuse the products deeper into your skin. I love how it does come with different capsules, and so you can swap them out and put different serums and essences in them, or whatever water-like product of your choice. So you can put your own toner, serum, or essence, so there's no need to have special products. You can use your own products with this device, so you're not locked into using just one brand. And it does have smart app integration. Pair it with the companion app to guide routines and to track your hydration. I love how the app will scan and tell you your hydration levels, so it's data and not guesswork. And I love that it is portable and it has a long battery life, so this is perfect for travel, working at your desk. You can use it, put it in your gym bag, and you'll get up to a week's worth of a charge. It does have a 7-day life battery span, so that's something I really appreciate in a beauty device. And it's definitely easy to carry because it's so lightweight. It's pretty small in size, so you could fit it into your purse or put it in your makeup bag, and or again your gym bag, school bag, and take it with you on the go so you can hydrate your skin no matter where you are. and it truly is pocket size friendly. So this is definitely a portable device, and this is also great for people who may be experiencing hot flashes or menopause symptoms, because the mist feels so cooling and so soothing on your skin. So you can mist yourself if you are having a hot flash, and I think it would definitely help to ease those menopausal symptoms. And I love how you get deeper hydration with this device in less time, because what would previously would have taken you 15 minutes with a mask to hydrate and nourish your skin, you can use this device and get the same effects in only 30 seconds. So the effects with this device are actually better than using skincare masks, but it's also more efficient because you'll need to also use less serum with this device. So you'll get much more use out of your skincare products, and this device will make your products, again, just more effective. You'll be using less of the products, and you get the effect of using 5 sheet masks with this device. So how amazing is that? And it also has this 60 seconds auto stop design, so it will deliver moisture exactly where your skin needs it, and there's no need for guesswork. There's no waste again, so you can use this on your full body. It feels so good, and it does feel, again, so cooling, so relaxing, and it just actually does feel incredible. And I love how it also does have this leak proof assurance, because it's built with reinforced seals. Your products will stay secure in here. It's actually guaranteed to stay leak proof even at high altitudes. So this is great for mess-free travel option and hydration on your skin on the go. And it does have a smart app that you can use in conjunction with this beauty device. So the app will actually scan your skin type and your skin habits to analyze what you would need, and it will tailor a plan, a personalized hydration plan just for you. And it also does provide real-time reminders, so you never forget to mist and hydrate your face. It's like your skin's telling you exactly what it needs with this device. So I also love how this device was created by iNewMe, which is an Asian beauty brand company who has worked tirelessly to establish skincare standards. And I love how they're redefining beauty standards by providing users with skincare insights and data-driven solutions, helping them to discover their own beauty and unique self-expression. And they also are invested in creating sustainable beauty devices and technology with their team of professionals that have over 20 years of experience in beauty devices. With their new AI technology, they're able to provide real-time analysis and beauty care solutions, redefining beauty devices as we know them. And using it is so easy. You just fill the capsule with your favorite toner or serum. Then you just turn the NanoHydra Pro on, hold it near your face, and let the sensor do the rest. You can glide it around your cheeks, forehead, and chin, and it feels like a refreshing cloud. It's not a splash, and your skin just absolutely drinks it right in. So after using this device for a week, here's what I noticed. My skin feels more plump and hydrated. There's no more tight, dull patches of skin on my face, and there's no more dryness when I'm traveling. I love the better makeup finish that it gives. There's no more cakey makeup. This actually makes your makeup look so much better, and it actually makes your skin seriously glow. And I do love how my skin just does look so glowy and smooth since using this device. Honestly, it feels like I've added a spa level treatment to my daily routine, but again, it's just so pocket friendly and practical. All right, but for a quick reality check, what are the pros? It offers deep hydration without residue. It does use your own skincare products. It has those smart sensors that make application easy. It's super portable to take with you to work or on your travels, to school, wherever you are. You could definitely take this with you. But what are the cons? You'll need to fill the capsules up manually, and some features do work best via the companion app. But overall, this is a game changer if you're serious about hydration and you love beauty devices and tech-savvy solutions. So who is this for though? This isn't just for skincare junkies. It is great if you travel often, sit in dry environments, if you want glowy skin without extra products, if you love smart beauty tech, and if you want to make your skincare products that much more effective. So my final thoughts: if glowing, hydrated skin is on your beauty wish list, and if you love beauty devices that actually work, the NanoHydra Pro is definitely worth picking up. I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can learn more and see the latest pricing and shipping info. Let me know in the comments, would you use a device like this daily? I know I'm addicted to using it now. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more beauty and skincare reviews. Catch you beauties in the next one, and stay glowing.